Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 1. Now, today's learning goal says, I can find parts hidden in a whole amount. What does that mean? Don't worry, I'm going to show you. Today we're going to be number detectives. We're going to look at a big number and we're going to try to chop it up into different parts and look for hidden parts on the inside. Are you ready? Oh, good. Now, a good number detective uses tools, so we're going to be using two really good detective tools today for math. The first one is called a 10 frame. It's called that because guess how many boxes are in that frame? Ding, 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 ding. Did you say 10? Oh, I hope you did. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yeah, there are 10 in there. Now, if I were to fill up that top row, how many circles do I have? Can you go ahead and count them for me? Oh, good job. Did you say 5? You did say 5. So what can you tell me? If that whole top row is filled with little circles, how many circles do I have? Yeah, 5. Do I even need to count them? No, I don't need to keep counting them over and over. I already know. I already counted them. Okay. All right, detectives, let's look for hidden numbers inside that 5. Do you see any? Oh, I do. 2. 2 was hidden inside that 5. Yeah, do you see them? Let's count. 1, 2. If I put those in their own little group together, I could have a 2 hidden inside that 5. All right, if I check out the 2, what number is left? Which circles haven't I talked about yet? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. The other hidden number is 3. So I had 5, and inside my 5 was hidden a 2 and a 3. Cool. Okay, now here's the deal. I need another math tool to help me out because if I just go around telling people that I have a 2 and a 3 hidden in a 5, they're not going to know what I'm talking about. Do you agree? Yeah. So we need another tool to help us organize our hidden numbers. Ooh, how about this? The number bond. Oh, yeah. Now, the number bond has 3 circles to it. I turned them into apples to help us understand. The big circle, or the apple on the top right here, is the whole amount. It's the whole apple, or the whole number before we chop it up. Then, once we chop it up, we're going to see 2 littler circles, or 2 more circles, that are the parts of the number. So, for example, in our number bond, for the hidden number we just did, 5 was the total amount. And then I looked, and I saw there was a 2 hidden inside there, remember? So that 2 would be one of the parts. Then I went back and I looked, okay, I found a 2, and then now I found out 1, 2, 3. Yes, a 3. So that would be the other part. Do you agree? See? Okay, so if I showed you this number bond, and if you knew what a number bond was, you could see the big one is the 5, because that was the whole amount. And the little parts come off of the 5 to show that one part was 2 and one part was 3. Okay, how you feeling about that, friend? Pretty good? All right, let's try another one. We just have to remember with our number bond, the one number is the whole amount, or how many you have all together, and then the other ones are the 2 parts. You know, like the hidden numbers that we found. All right, let's try one. Okay, how many circles are there? I hope that you said 5 so fast. Did you say 5 so fast? Raise your hand if you had to count them. That's okay. If you had to count them to know that there were 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's good. But remember, if that whole top row of the 10 frame is filled in, it's just 5. All right, what if I added a few more to our 10 frame? Whoa, I have way more than 5 now. Do you agree? Yeah, totally. Let me change those 2 that I added into a different color. Okay, now does that help you see any parts? Any hidden parts in that number? Oh, I hope that it does, because the top row is 5, so how many blue circles do I have? Yeah, 2. So in that number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one part is 5 and one part is 2. Let's put that into a 10 frame, or into a number bound, shall we? So my whole amount is 7. I had 5 red circles, or 5 part is in one part, and 2 blue circles. And hey, if I put those two together, they'd equal 7, because 5 plus 2 is 7. 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7. Okay, we're going to practice a few more of these because you're doing such a good job. Can you go ahead and press pause for me? And what I would like you to do is get your dry erase board and your journal. If you already have it, you can keep cruising. But if not, just press pause while you go find those materials because we're going to practice together. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. All right. And if you'll notice, I took those circles out of the 10 frame, but I kept them in order as if they were actually in a 10 frame. So I have 5 on the top and 3 more at the bottom to make 8. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and draw just the number bond. You don't have to draw the circles, friends. Not those. But can you draw this number bond with an empty circle at the top, one coming off of it that has a 5 in it, and another circle that has an empty spot? All right, press pause while you do that, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, do you have your number bond all set up? Okay, good. It should match just like mine looks now. All right, let's start with the other part. I know that we had 5, and what's the other part that you see? Go ahead and write that in the other part on the number bond, right over here. Oh, did you write 3? Oh, I hope that you did, because let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there are 5 red ones and 3 blue ones. So 5 is one part and 3 is the other. Okay, I know that the 2 parts make the whole amount. So let's see. If I have 5 and I have 3 more, how many do I have? Ding, 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 ding. Did you say 8? Oh, you're so smart. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Hey, friend, on the count of 3, let's give ourselves a super clap, which is one big loud clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job, Rockstar. Let's keep cruising. Go ahead and erase your board. All right. If you're still erasing, press pause and press play when you're ready. All right, we're going to try another one. Go ahead. I changed the circles a little bit. I want you to go ahead and draw that empty number bond just like I did. Now I put in one of the parts as 5. Can you go ahead and fill in the other part? Press pause while you do it. We're going to fill in this other piece right over here. And then press play to check yourself. Okay, did you fill in that other part of the number bond? I hope that you did. Did you put in 4? Oh, you did. Oh, good. Don't worry if you didn't. Let's see where we got that 4 from. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 is the other part because I already had the 5 red circles in my number bond. All right, I want you to go ahead and fill in the whole amount. How many circles do you have all together up here in our picture? Press pause and press play to check yourself. 9. Did you get 9? Oh, you are such a smarty pants. Good job, number detective. Excellent. All right, let's try one more. Okay, go ahead and erase your number bond and make it nice and empty, just like I did. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to trick you on this one. Can you go ahead and look to see the other part and the whole amount? I want you to fill in the rest of the number bond. Can you press pause while you do that? And press play to check yourself. Are you all set? Okay, I see 5 was one of the parts, and I only have one blue little circle, so that's the other part. 5 plus 1 is 6. So that's the whole amount. Hey friend, does your number bond match mine? Oh my goodness gracious. Say, I'm amazing. Yeah, you are amazing. Good job. Okay, our learning goal for today says, I can find parts hidden in a whole amount. Okay, and that is what we've been doing. And you're like so good at being a number detective. So you did an excellent job. For your exit ticket, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and just fill in this empty number bond that you see right here. Now be careful because this is a trickster one. I already did 5 as the part, but if you'll notice, there's nothing else for the other part. If nothing else is there, what number would we write in this empty part for the number bond? Good luck, friends. And then, of course, you want to put in the whole amount. I want you to go ahead and send that to me on Seesaw as soon as you're done. Well done, friends.